2026 Tesla Pi enters the scene as a revolutionary concept device that challenges everything we expect from a smartphone and pushes boundaries so far that it feels like it could disrupt the entire tech industry in one bold move. This device is not just another upgrade or iteration but a completely new vision built with futuristic technology that blends artificial intelligence, satellite connectivity, and deep integration with smart ecosystems. From the moment you see the Tesla Pi, its design speaks of minimalism and advanced engineering, featuring a sleek metallic body, almost seamless edges, and a display that stretches elegantly across the front with virtually no bezels. The phone feels premium, durable, and incredibly refined, suggesting that it has been crafted with precision and purpose. One of the most talked about aspects of the Tesla Pi is its rumored ability to outperform and even replace traditional smartphones in ways that feel almost disruptive, which is why many are saying it destroys the concept of the phone as we know it. It introduces direct satellite connectivity that allows users to stay connected even in remote locations where regular network coverage does not exist, making it highly valuable for travelers, explorers, and those living in rural areas. This feature alone could redefine communication and eliminate dependence on traditional telecom infrastructure, giving users a level of freedom never experienced before. The Tesla Pi is also expected to include advanced neural processing capabilities, allowing it to handle complex AI tasks directly on the device without relying heavily on cloud servers. This means faster responses, better privacy, and a more personalized user experience. The AI system learns user habits, predicts needs, and adapts the interface dynamically, making the phone feel less like a tool and more like a smart companion. Voice interaction is expected to be incredibly natural and intuitive, reducing the need for manual input and making everyday tasks smoother and faster. Another groundbreaking feature is its potential integration with Tesla vehicles, allowing seamless control and synchronization between the phone and the car. Users could unlock their vehicles, monitor performance, adjust climate settings, and even summon their car using the Tesla Pi. This level of integration creates a unified ecosystem where devices communicate effortlessly, enhancing convenience and efficiency. The phone essentially becomes a central hub for managing multiple aspects of a smart lifestyle. In terms of display technology, the Tesla Pi is rumored to feature a high-resolution OLED panel with exceptional brightness and color accuracy. The screen is designed to deliver an immersive viewing experience whether you are watching videos, playing games, or browsing content. Combined with a high refresh rate, the display ensures smooth scrolling and fluid animations that enhance overall usability. The durability of the screen is also expected to be top tier, with advanced protective materials that resist scratches and impacts. Battery life is another area where the Tesla Pi aims to dominate. With cutting-edge energy optimization and possibly solar charging capabilities, the device could offer extended usage without frequent charging. This makes it highly practical for users who rely heavily on their phones throughout the day. Fast charging technology ensures that even when the battery runs low, it can be quickly replenished, minimizing downtime and keeping users connected at all times. The camera system on the Tesla Pi is designed to compete with professional-grade equipment, offering high-resolution sensors, advanced image processing, and powerful video capabilities. Users can expect stunning photos with rich detail, accurate colors, and excellent performance in low-light conditions. Video recording is expected to support high-definition formats with stabilization features that produce smooth and cinematic results. This makes the device a strong choice for content creators and photography enthusiasts. Security and privacy are also key priorities for the Tesla Pi. With advanced biometric authentication such as facial recognition and fingerprint scanning, the device ensures that user data remains protected. In addition, on-device processing reduces the need to send sensitive information to external servers, enhancing privacy and giving users greater control over their data. Encryption and secure storage further strengthen the device's defense against potential threats. The operating system of the Tesla Pi is expected to be highly optimized, offering a clean interface and smooth performance. It is designed to work seamlessly with AI features, providing a responsive and intuitive experience. Regular updates and improvements ensure that the device remains up to date with the latest technology and security standards. The user interface is likely to be customizable, allowing users to tailor their experience according to their preferences. Connectivity options on the Tesla Pi go beyond traditional standards, offering faster speeds and more reliable connections. Whether it is through satellite networks or advanced wireless technologies, the device ensures consistent performance in various environments. This makes it suitable for both everyday use and demanding tasks that require stable and high-speed connections. Overall, the 2026 Tesla Pi represents a bold step forward in the evolution of smartphones. It combines innovative features, powerful performance, and a futuristic vision to create a device that stands out in a crowded market. By redefining connectivity, enhancing user experience, and integrating advanced technologies, it has the potential to reshape how we interact with our devices and the world around us. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of technology and want to stay updated with the latest innovations, make sure to subscribe for more exciting content like this and stay tuned for what comes next in the world of next-generation devices.